Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix or resolve if Windows 11 is not detecting or picking up your headset microphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to make sure it's firmly attached or plugged into your device. And then open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result to come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath App Permissions and select Microphone. Make sure microphone access is toggled to the right, as well as for any applicable applications below, so make sure it's turned on for that. And then once you've done that, I would recommend closing out of here. Open up the search menu and search for Device Manager. Best result, you come back with Device Manager. Open that up. Expand the audio inputs and output section. Right-click on the microphone device and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select a manufacturer-specific one, i.e. the one that made your headset, or if you can only select a generic one, like there's only one available here, I guess you can select that one too. Select Next, close out of here, and then I would suggest you guys restart your computer at this time. And then hopefully at this point you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.